Do you want to speak like a celebrity? Then add these phrases to your vocabulary right now. Number 1 is la-di-da. It primarily describes someone with pretentious and overly fancy taste. Do you have that one friend who says, I don't like Indian food, I like Peruvian fusion with truffle oil, and you're like, seriously? For example, she's gone all la-di-da since she started to date the model. Number 2 is cash cow. A cash cow is something that generates steady income with little effort. For example, that book series is a cash cow for the publisher. It's always in demand. Number 3 is the big cheese. Well, the big cheese is the boss, the VIP, the shot caller. It's playful but powerful. So in every office, there's this one person everyone listens to. Even the coffee machine knows not to make noise when they walk in. That's big cheese. For more such tips, follow the Accent by Poonam.